Good morning, students. Today we will start our lesson number 4, The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Once upon a time, there was a little shepherd boy named Billy. Shepherd boy means a person who takes care of sheep. He lived alone with his mother in a little village at foot of the mountain. Alone means single, and the meaning of foot of the mountains is lower part of the mountain. There was a meadow close by where Billy used to take his flock of sheep to graze. Meadow means a grassy land, and graze means eating grass or to feed on growing grass. Billy was always playing pranks on the people of the village. Prank means naughty action, यानी शरारतें करना. Every day at a time when all villagers were out busy with their daily work, Billy would call out to them saying, "Wolf, wolf, come soon." He always lying and said, "Wolf, wolf," but there was no wolf. Billy's cry for help would bring all the villagers out to the meadow. His, this happened 3 or 4 times a day. Means he repeat again and again 3-4 times. When the villagers came to his help, he would laugh at them and say, "I fooled you again. I fooled you again." Teasingly. Teasingly means चिढ़ते हुए कहना, चिढ़ाते हुए कहना. His mother warned him. Warned mean warning देना. Billy, one day you will be sorry for telling lies. Sorry for telling lies means अपने झूठ के लिए पछताना. One day, as usual, he took his flock to the meadow. He sat under a shady tree. Shady means giving shade. And watched his flock grazing. The weather was pleasant and he dozed off. मौसम सुहाना था तो वह थोड़ी देर सो गया. Suddenly he heard means सुना, his flock bleating in fear and woke up. Bleating means cry of sheep. For his slumber he see them scatter in all direction. Slumber means sleep, सोना, and scatter means through here and there, इधर उधर बिखरा हुआ, in all directions. Billy was surprised to see that the wolf had really come. Billy, the shepherd boy, now alarmed. Alarmed means suddenly afraid, यानी अचानक डर गया कि आज तो सच में ही वुल्फ आ गया. Shouted out in fear, "Wolf, wolf, come soon, hurry, help, the wolf is killing the sheep." He kept crying out. He said in afraid and he said in fear, "Help, help," but no work came there. The villagers went about doing their work. None of them paid. The villagers went about doing their work. None of them paid attention to his cry for help. They thought that he was trying to fool them. As usual, so no one came to his help. One at a time, the wolf destroyed his whole flock. Destroy means बर्बाद कर देना. The moral of this lesson is no one will believe in liar even when he speak the truth. इस कहानी से हमें ये शिक्षा मिलती है कि हमें कभी भी झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए. जब आप कभी सच भी बोलेंगे तो भी आप पर कोई बिलीव नहीं करेगा. ओके, थैंक यू.